Thank you for taking my class. As I suggest, all the instructions are on the student's class page. I'll just quickly demonstrate how to get there. Of course, you'll be clicking on this video here, which should appear once I've prepared it. Okay, so clicking on that will take you to what you're watching right now. And yes, let's try that. So what you do to go to the class, of course, that will be on your MASCOM page. Go back to the MASCOM page. So this is what you would see. Oh dear, it's not going